Here are some hard lessons I learned after leaving my abuser so you don't make the same mistakes I made. First, after you leave an abusive relationship, it's actually one of the most dangerous times for them to potentially unalive you. Scary, I know, but you have to take that seriously. So if they're violating court orders and harassing you and showing up at the home against the court orders, please don't do what I did and wait months to report it out of guilt. Report them right away for your safety. Next, block anyone that enables or excuses the abuser's behavior. Do not lean on them for support. I learned the hard way by trusting my former sister-in-law who ended up making excuses for his abuse and telling me to allow freebies. Her betrayal as a woman and a police officer actually hurt worse than my ex's harassment at the time. And lastly, do not stay in the know of what your abuser is doing. As long as they're not bothering us, we don't care. My healing was interrupted once I found out what was going on in his life. And it all stemmed from the new girlfriend reaching out to me. In the future, I'd still warn the new woman, but I'd be brief, ask her not to update me on anything his family has said or done, and definitely not update me on my abuser, offer proof if needed, and disconnect from what happens next. And that's all I have right now. I hope this helps you avoid the mistakes I made.